In previous class, we have studied criteria for congruence of triangles. Now we'll discuss some properties of triangle. What is the angle sum property of triangle? It is a triangle ABC. What is the angle sum property? Sum of three angles in triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of three angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. That is angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. If you extend BC to D, then we'll get an exterior angle. ACD is the exterior angle. Angle ACD is an exterior angle. ACD is an exterior angle. Now what is the relation between exterior angle and interior angles? Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its two interior opposite angles. Here what is the exterior angle? ACD. So angle ACD is equal to sum of its two interior opposite angles. Angle 1 plus angle 2. Angle 3 is the interior angle but interior adjacent angle. 3 is the interior adjacent angle. 1 and 2 are the interior opposite angles. So exterior angle of triangle ACD is equal to sum of its two interior opposite angles. Angle 1 plus angle 2. And exterior angle is greater than each of its interior opposite angles. Angle ACD is greater than angle 1. Similarly, angle ACD is greater than angle 2. Now, what is an equilateral triangle? An equilateral triangle, a triangle in which all the three sides are equal. A triangle in which all the three sides are equal is called an equilateral triangle. What is the relation between angles and sides? What is the relation between angles and sides? In equilateral triangle, all sides are equal and all angles are equal. All sides are equal and all angles are equal. Each angle measure is 60 degrees. Each angle measure is 60 degrees. 60, 60, 60. Now, what is an isosceles triangle? A triangle in which two sides are equal is called an isosceles triangle. So, in this triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. What is the relation between these two equal sides and angles? In isosceles triangle, the angles are opposite to equal sides. So what is the angle opposite to AC? AC is angle ABC. The angle opposite to AB is AC. If two sides are equal, then the angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So the angle opposite to AB is angle ACB. That is equal to angle opposite to AC is ABC. The converse is in triangle, if two angles are equal, that is angle ABC is equal to ACB, then the sides opposite to these two equal angles are also equal. That implies the angle opposite to ABC, the side opposite to angle ABC is side AC. The side opposite to angle ACB is AB. If sides are equal, then opposite angles are equal. If angles are equal, then the opposite sides are equal. Now, if we consider a scalene triangle, what is scalene triangle? A triangle in which no two sides are equal. A triangle all sides are different and all angles are different. So what is the relation between angles and sides of this isosceles triangle? That means, do we have any relation between these unequal sides? And here 3 sides are different and 3 angles are different. So, do we have any relation between these unequal sides and unequal angles? So, yes, we have some relations. Those relations are inequalities of triangle. So, today our topic is inequalities in a triangle. Today our topic is inequalities in a triangle. What are the inequalities of triangle? The first inequality is the two sides of a triangle are unequal, then the angle opposite to longer side is longer than the angle opposite to smaller side. We'll prove it theoretically. Now consider. So what is the statement? If two sides of a triangle are unequal, then prove that the angle opposite to longer side is greater than the angle opposite to smaller side. So this is the first inequality. So here what is given in this statement? If two sides of a triangle are unequal. Now consider triangle ABC. Two sides of a triangle are unequal. So what is given? In triangle ABC, two sides are unequal means one should be smaller and one should be longer. Here I am taking AC is greater than AB. AC greater than AB. What is to prove? Two sides of triangle are unequal. Prove that the angle opposite to longer side. Here what is the longer side? AC is greater than AB. So the angle opposite to AC is ABC. So you have to prove ABC is greater than the side opposite to A, the angle opposite to AB is angle ACB. So what is to prove? Angle ABC is greater than angle ACB. So let us do some construction. So construct a point D and AC such that AB is equal to AD and join BD. So what is the construction? Take a point or mark a point D on AC such that AB is equal to AD and join BD. Now in triangle ABD, proof. In triangle ABD, AB is equal to AD. AB is equal to AD. Reason, construction. So it is the triangle is an isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, the angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So the angle opposite to AB is ADB. The angle opposite to AD is ABD. So these two angles are angle ABD is equal to angle ADB. These two angles are equal. For this triangle, so this is C. For this triangle BDC, angle ADB is the exterior angle. For this triangle BDC, this BDADB is the exterior angle. We know that the exterior angle of a triangle is greater than interior opposite angle. So angle ADB is greater than angle ADB is greater than BCD. BCD. Angle ADB is the exterior angle for the triangle BCD. So ADB is greater than BCD. ADB is greater than BCD is nothing but we can write BCA also. BCA. So this is equation 1. But ADB is equal to ABD. So in the place of ADB we can write ABD. So ADB in the place of ADB we can write ABD. So ABD is greater than BCA. ABD is greater than BCA. But ABD is a part of ABD is a part of ABC. Angle ABC. So then angle ABC is greater than angle ABC is greater than angle ABD. So angle ABC is greater than angle ABD, but ABD is greater than BCA. So it is greater than BCA. So ABC is greater than BCA or ACB. BCA nothing but ACB also. ACB. So that is our RTP part. ABC is greater than ACB. So what we proved? If two sides of a triangle are unequal, that is AC greater than AB, then the angle opposite to longer side. Here AC is the longer side. The angle opposite to AC is angle ABC. Angle ABC is greater than the angle opposite to shorter side. The shorter side is AB. The opposite is ACB. So ABC is greater than ACB. Hence proved. Now here what we discuss, if two sides of triangle are unequal, the angle opposite to longer side is greater than the angle opposite to smaller side. This theorem converse is, in any triangle, the side opposite to greater angle is longer side. Suppose here ABC, angle ABC is greater than angle ACB. Angle ABC is greater than ACB. Then the side opposite to greater angle. What is the greater angle? ABC. The opposite side is AC. AC greater than the side opposite to ACB is AB. Next theorem. Next, one more inequality. In a triangle, sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Next inequality. In a triangle, sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than third side. So it is a triangle ABC, scalene triangle. All the three sides are different. What is given? In triangle ABC, AB, BC, CA are three sides. What is to prove? Sum of any two sides is greater than third side. Suppose if you consider here the three sides are AB, BC, CA. If you consider AB, BC, AB plus BC is greater than third side is CA. If you consider BC, CA, BC plus CA is greater than third side is AB. If you consider these two sides, AB plus CA is greater than, here third side is BC. This is to prove. Here construction, first draw a triangle. This one triangle ABC. Here construction, produce AB to D such that AD is equal to AC and join DC. Construction part. Produce BA to D such that AD is equal to AC and join DC. That is the construction part. Now in triangle ACD, proof. In triangle ACD, AC is equal to AD, construction. AC is equal to AD. From construction, AC is equal to AD. So this triangle ACD is an isosceles triangle. We know that in isosceles triangle, if two sides are equal, then the angles opposite to these two equal sides are equal. So AC opposite angle is angle ADC. Angle ADC is equal to the opposite angle of AD is ACD. These two angles are equal. This is equation 1. Here if you observe this one, ACB is a part of BCD or BCA is a part of BCD. BCA is a part of BCD. BCA, angle BCA is a part of angle BCD. So angle BCD is greater than angle BCA. angle BCD is greater than angle BCA. Angle BCD is greater than angle ACD. Sorry, here also ACD only. BCD is greater than angle ACD. But ACD is equal to ADC. So BCD is greater than angle ADC. ADC, from previous theorem, what is that? If an angle is greater than, in a triangle, one angle is greater than other angle, then the side opposite to greater angle is the longer side. So the side opposite to BCD, the side opposite to BCD is BD. The side opposite to BCD is BD. So BD is greater than the angle opposite to ADC. ADC is BC. So BD means you can write AB plus AD. AB plus AD is greater than BC. AB plus AD is nothing but AC from construction is greater than BC. So sum of any two sides is greater than third side. AB plus AC is greater than third side. Similarly, you can prove the remaining two sides also. We have one more inequality. Here the sum is greater than the third side. The other inequality is difference of any two sides is less than the third side. It is a triangle ABC. The sum of the two sides is greater than third side. AB plus AC is greater than BC. Same way, difference of any two sides, AB minus AC is less than BC. Sum is greater than third side, difference is less than third side. So what are the four inequalities? In a triangle, the angle opposite to longer side is greater. The sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. Difference of any two sides is the less than the third side. Tomorrow we will continue application part of this inequalities.